Ah, oui. Here we are in the kitchen, where today we'll be making one of my favorite recipes, tempera paint. And our secret ingredient, a beautiful little egg.
Bonjour, mon ami.
Okay, I cannot keep doing that accent. But in this activity, we'll try a recipe for egg tempera paint, which artists have used to make masterpieces for centuries. Disclaimer, this paint is not meant to be eaten. This egg might look cute, but some raw eggs can contain harmful bacteria that could make you sick. First, grab some colorful spices, like paprika and turmeric, to use as your pigments. Put them in an egg carton. For harder to find colors like blue, you can grind a piece of chalk in a plastic bag with a spoon. Next, crack an egg and separate the yolk from the white. Mix the yolk in a bowl and add a few teaspoons of water. To paint, load your brush with a bit of egg and dip it into one of your colors. Apply to the paper and create your masterpiece. How does each pigment differ from each other? Are some pigments grainier than others? Are some brighter or duller? You can experiment with other kitchen ingredients to test out different pigments too. There are endless combinations.